Hello students, now we will discuss about the real account, which is the main two examples are the purchase and sale, and the rule of the real is debit or what comes in and credit what goes out. हम डेबिट किसे करेंगे जो हमारे पास आ रहा है और क्रेडिट किसे करना है जो हमारे पास से जा रहा है. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज परचेज गुड्स. परचेज गुड्स मतलब कोई चीज को खरीदना. व्हेन अगर हम कोई चीज खरीद रहे हैं तो हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है, गुड्स. एंड अगर और हमारे पास से क्या जा रहा है, कैश. कभी भी अगर गुड्स आ जाए तो हमें क्या सोचना है, हमें गुड्स वर्ड अकाउंट नहीं क्रिएट होता. हमने क्या सोचना है कि ये परचेज है या फिर सेल. हमारे क्वेश्चन में क्या मेंशन है, परचेज, तो हम किसे लेंगे, परचेज को. तो जर्नल एंट्री क्या आ जाएगी, परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट. Suppose these goods were purchased for the 5,000 and the debit 5,000. Two word is denoted for the credit and where the transaction comes with the two, the amount is right on the credit side. I hope you will understand this. And after this we have to write the narration after every entry, like which started with the word being, and write the same line again. Being purchased goods. I hope you understand this entry. Next one is sale goods worth rupees 3,000. Now, when we sell something, what comes? अगर हम कोई चीज सेल करते हैं तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा, कैश. इट मीन्स हम डेबिट किसे करेंगे, कैश को. और क्रेडिट क्या आएगा हमारे पास से, गुड्स. नाउ अगेन अ क्वेश्चन कम अराइज व्हाइल द वर्ड गुड्स कम, whether we should write the purchase word or sale word. So journal entry will be, first of all we'll write the word debit, cash account debit to sales account. And after this we will write a narration, being goods sold. The word debit, write the amount on the debit side, and where the word to is written, the amount is written on the credit side. I hope you guys will understand this entry also. The next example will be purchase goods from Ramesh, rupees 2,500. Now you guys have to make a comparison with this entry and this entry. Now again the question arises, what will debit and what will credit. Debit means what comes in. While purchasing the goods, what comes, goods. Now again a word goods come, so decide whether purchase or sale. The word mentioned is purchase, so we will write the purchase. Now what goes out, क्या जा रहा है. Read the questions line again and find the word cash. इस लाइन को दोबारा से रीड करें. कहीं पे लिखा है कैश, परचेज गुड्स फ्रॉम रमेश रुपीज 2,500. नो, इट मीन्स हम क्रेडिट साइड पे वर्ड कैश नहीं लिख सकते. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अराइज, वेदर एनी नेम हैज बीन रिटन इन द लाइन. कोई नाम लिखा हो इस लाइन में. Purchase goods from Ramesh. Yes, of course, a name has been written, Ramesh. So we will write here the name Ramesh. Then the journal entry will be purchase account debit to person's name Ramesh account. In front of the debit, we will write amount the debit side, and where the two word has been written, we will write the amount on the credit side. Again, narration has been followed by each entry. Being purchased goods from Ramesh. I hope you guys will understand this entry too. The next example, sale goods to Shyam for rupees 1000. Now again, this is the entry of the real, so decide whether what comes in and what goes out. When we sold the goods, what will come? अगर हम कोई चीज बेच रहे हैं तो हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है? कैश. और अगर हम कोई बेच रहे हैं कैश आ रहा है और क्या जा रहा है? गुड्स. इट मीन्स क्रेडिट क्या होएगा? गुड्स. अगेन डिसाइड वेदर इज द परचेज और सेल. क्वेश्चन मेंशन दैट इट इज परचेज, इट इज सेल, सो टिक द वन which will be come. So sale will come. On the other hand side, what will be debited? Again, check the line whether the word cash has been mentioned in the line. Sale goods to Shyam rupees 1000. No, the word cash is not mentioned. Again, check whether the name has been mentioned. Sale goods to Shyam. Yes, of course, the name has been mentioned. So we will write the name here. The journal entry will be Shyam account debit to sales account. Again, narration will be written. Being sale goods to Shyam. I hope you guys will understand the purchase, sales on a cash basis or on credit basis. Where the word has been written as a name, it means these transactions are related to credit. Means हमने किसी पर्सन से या तो कोई चीज उधार में खरीदी है या फिर सेल की है, जहां कहीं भी अभी अगर किसी पर्सन का नेम आ रहा है. ठीक है.